Hey everyone, it's your man GS002 coming back at you with another review. Today is going to be a very special treat for all my followers here. I've been waiting on this one for a while. Finally came in, so here we go. Let's take a look. I think you guys might recognize that box from what's been teased. So we finally have it. We have the VF-1A Valkyrie. This was piloted by Maximilian Genus in the original Macross series. So bought this brand new from Ami, and I was able to miraculously get on the waiting list for it, and I got it a couple days ago. It's just been kind of sitting. This is the first time I've actually opened it up. And yeah, you guys are going to share that experience with me, so I'm excited. I hope you're excited. So yeah, let's go ahead and look at the back of the box. I mean, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Yeah. So as we normally do, the first part is going to be. Sorry for that being out of focus there. So, oh, come on. Oh, what happened? Oh, now the focus is all messed up. So the first part is going to be unboxing, and then the next part is going to be gear walk, and the final part is going to be Batroid. Depending on the amount of features that we find, that may cause some parts to run long, and as a result we'll have to have multiple parts. So anyway, so you guys looked at the box. Let me go ahead and get this guy opened up, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. So all of this stuff came out of this box here. So anyway, let's go through this. So we've got the clamshell with the figure. We've got fixed pose hands. We've got some intake covers. We've got our stand here. I'm not sure what that is. We got the figure itself. We've got some body cavity fillers. I didn't know what those were before on the VF-1J, but I do now. And then yeah, we've got the gun, and we've got the little arm strap for it. And then here we have the display stand base. 2 adapters for 2 modes. And then we have the instructions. So let me go ahead and get all this stuff out of this clamshell, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. So normally I would go ahead and open this, but we already pretty much see what's going on there. So yeah, let's take this figure out. Oh man, feels very, very nice. Very, very nice. Oh yes, very nice. And if you're a fan of my channel, you'll know that I purchased the ordnance set for the VF-1J, which should have no problems bolting up to this guy. Looks like we do have some hard points. So towards the end of at least the fighter section of the review, which could be 1 or 2 parts, I'm gonna compare this with the VF-1J, as well as put some ordnance on both on the wings of both figures, and just kind of compare and contrast visually. Anyway, so that's pretty much it for this part. This is the unboxing. So yeah guys, the next part is going to be tomorrow, uploaded tomorrow, and then the next part the day after that, and so on and so forth until everything is done. So anyway, that's pretty much it. I appreciate all the views and comments and likes that I got from my previous parts, from my other figures that I reviewed. So again, this is your man GS002 coming back at you with another video. This has been highly anticipated, at least speaking for myself. So I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.